2015 Paper 1, Question 11. Polynomial. We have a function and then hk constant, and when the function divided by x minus 2, there's a remainder -5. And then next we have fx, it is divisible by x minus 3, so there is no remainder. So we do it one by one. So when fx is divided by x minus 2, so we will put x minus 2 equals 0, so x is 2 into the polynomial, so that means f2 is equal to -5. So it becomes 2 minus 2 square, 2 plus h plus k equal to -5. You see, this one 2 minus 2, 0. So that means this part also 0. 0 times everything 0. So k is equal to -5. Next, we'll substitute another x minus 3 equals 0, x equal to 3. So for this case, it is divisible. That means no remainder. That means f3 is equal to 0. So that means x equal to 3. So we substitute here. 3 minus 2 square, 3 plus h, k is -5 equal to 0. So for this is 1. So that means 3 plus h minus 5 equals 0. So h is equal to 2. It is part A. Next will part B. Someone claims that all roots are integer. For equation fx equals 0, do you agree? So we can see we know h and k already, so we can expand all the terms in the polynomial. So that means x minus 2 square times x plus 2, because h is 2, and then for k is -5 equal to 0. So we expand it. So for this one, that means x minus 2 times x minus 2, then we can simplify like this. So x squared minus 4x plus 4, and then x plus 2 minus 5 equals 0. And then we do the rainbow again. X cubed 2x squared minus 4x squared minus xx plus 4x plus x minus 5 equals 0. So we simplify x cubed, then for these two it becomes -2x squared, and for these two -4x, finally plus 3 equals 0. And then next, because we know it is divisible by -3 plus 3, x minus 3, that means x equals 3. So we can use the short division or long division. It's easy to use short division. 1, -2, -4, and 3. That means the coefficient divided by 3. So 1 copy, 1 times 3, and then plus, so even 1 times 3, 3, and then plus -4 plus 3, -1, and then -3, 0. So that means this one is x minus 3 because of this, and then this 3, x squared plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Then we know x is 3. And actually, you can see this one. You can press formula 1, 1, 1, -1. Then you can find it is decimal. If you press Shift ABC, it's also still a decimal case. So that means you know it's not integer. And also you can use the super formula. That means quadratic equation. X equal to -b over, like this one, -b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Use this one to make sure. So -1 plus or minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times negative 1 over 2. So it is negative 1 plus or minus root 5 over 2. So you can see the claims is wrong. If you forget the super formula, actually when you do this step and then you know this one and then press calculator for this and then write down this, that means x is equal to negative 1.62 and then 0.618, then it is not integer. So they are not integer. So the claim is wrong. It's also is well.